Banga. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep a tip bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make a tip. Kilo fait on m'a tête chocolat, fine fine oh baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more than, your body chocolate, bush it ready yeah imade, double dose le kilo fait, why now my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy baby, and you want gon' give me control, even want to get already, I'm a make up my.
Pull me closer, it's the freaking me I wanna show ya. Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Welcome to a new vlog. First, I got new outfits from Shein. I heard that Shein is beginning to care about short people. I shopped from their petite collection because I bought 5 pants. So I'm like, yeah, I'm currently wearing one. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like because I have always struggled with finding the trouser of my length because I am very short. I am 5'0" guys, so it has always been a struggle, like a big struggle. So I'm super excited that I finally I mean because I've tried them on before. I'm not even gonna lie, that was the first night when I got it. I'm like, hey god, I hope I don't waste money. So yeah, it's my length, amazing, love it. Got 2 big slippers from Shein because there's this slipper that's like kind of like high and very comfy at the same time. I'll show you guys everything so you guys can actually see. So if you are short like me, baby, the fashion industry is beginning to care about us. So I'm super excited because I love to wear cargo pants with very cropped up, but I have not been able to do that for a while because I don't get my size of trousers, so I don't even bother anymore. But now I can. Okay, so guys, this is the first trouser. I played myself a little bit anyways because I picked petite extra small for this, and that's why the waist is very firm. I like it when my trousers are like they have like a little bit of space, but this is very firm because I picked petite extra small instead of petite extra small. I was thinking that the petite extra small was going to be long for me, so I was so, do you get? But I do not have the waist of the petite extra small. That's the way I'll put it. But it's not bad. It's actually it's not bad. Just that moving forward, I will pick the extra small instead of the extra small. If you get what I'm saying. These are the slippers I was talking about. Can you guys see? It's high, but at the same time, it's very comfortable. Like it's very comfortable. I'm going to be buying more of this for real, and yeah, love it. Love the top is actually from Shein also. Let me show you guys the other pants. Okay, so guys, this is the second pants. I told you I got 5, so yeah, this is the second one. This is in petite extra small. Can you see there is space here? This is basically the one that I'm supposed to get, the petite extra small, because why I said I played myself was this is petite extra small and it's not extremely long. Can you see? So yeah, it's freer, it's more comfortable than the petite extra small. That's because I don't have very slim waist, so yeah, and I love it. Moving forward, I'll buy petite extra small because I want something more comfortable, but I really do love it. I love the color. This particular color was on sale because one of the tricks about buying things on Shein again is that you have to look at some colors are on sales, like some colors are cheaper, so this was cheaper than the others. Yeah, so let me show you the third one. Okay, so guys, this is the third pants. I got this in petite extra small, and that was intentional because if I got extra small, it would be too big, like here, because of like this is a V kind of like cut for the, oh my god, look at it, my stomach is sexy. Woo! Yeah. Oh, this is where I should have actually gotten a belly button piercing. Okay, this is actually when I miss. I think I need to get a belly button piercing. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, this is it. I think when I want to wear it though, I think I'm going to wear like a black top and then a black short that is like a black, there will be a black, I'll wear a high pants. That's gonna be, yeah, I don't know. I'll think about how I'm gonna style it when I'm gonna style it. This is the other slippers I got. This one is not as high as the first one, but it is really nice, very comfy. Like, I love it so much. Like, can you guys see? It's pretty. Yeah. Okay, so this is the fourth cargo pants. This is in petite extra extra small. The reason why this one is not too tight is because it has this band thingy at the side. Oh, look at my butt. I feel like I actually added butt because I've actually been eating lots of protein of late. Like, well, yeah, this is it. Yes, though I would have still loved if I got this in petite extra small instead of extra extra small. That just means I need to buy more trousers, but okay. So I love this one. The color is beautiful. Like, I just really like it. I don't think I have any color or cloth like this, so I like it. It's really cool. It's really nice. Yeah. Right, this is the last one. This is supposed to be like a skinny jean, I guess. It is firm. Like, I should have gotten petite extra small instead of the extra extra small I got. Like, it is too tight on the waist. Like, there's no space. It's too firm on the waist. Okay, so guys, yeah, so those are the things I got from Shein. I'm actually really excited. It just means that I might have to get more trousers because I made a mistake with the sizing and I'm not really pleased about that. So yeah, I probably will just get more and then let you guys know. I want to go rest. I think I need to rest my head, but I'm not going to sleep anyways. I just want to rest my head. So that's when it is, I think 7:30, I will start heading to the movies because the movie starts by 8:30. So yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Hi everyone, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please do that for me. Thank you so much. I'm very sorry for any background noise or noises that you might be hearing. To be very honest, I have serious beef with those staying on top of me. I don't understand what they are always pounding. Like, I don't get it. Then there's actually a church service happening by the side or whatever, but I'm actually using a mic, but I really do hope the audio is like, you know, good and everything. I look good, I look funny. Okay, y'all, so from the last vlog, I just really hope I decide to put that video out. I was given a quick notice at my store and I had to get a new store. Like, I had to pay for a new place, which I have already done. I have renovated and I have opened the store. I opened it on Wednesday. Today is Friday, so I'll be going there today. And I'm going to show you guys what the new place is like. It's smaller than my old place anyways, but this is actually in a more central, you know, location. So anyways, I'll be going to the store today. I'm going to show you guys what the place is like. I just feel like I'm actually really excited, and at the same time I'm just trusting God's plan, because I'm not gonna lie, it was a very lonely, frustrating and stressful experience. I had to spend so much money. This is money that I already spent before when I got the place last year. I only used that store for a year and I was asked to leave. So I mean, it was painful and it was lonely because I basically had to do every single thing physically by myself, and it was really exhausting. I'm not even gonna lie, but at the same time I'm just excited and grateful to God that, I mean, I'm done with that right now and I can just, you know, keep moving to the next thing. That's what I mean. Life comes with challenges, I guess, but I think one thing I'm trying to learn is to live life and have fun while, you know, walking through it, because at the end of the day, everything is gonna be fine. This is something that my friend keeps saying, Ben, everything is gonna be fine. So like, and that's the truth, everything's actually gonna be fine. I'll be using this perfume, guys. I need to buy new perfumes. I think that's actually like on my list for next week. I need to get new perfumes, I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, I think I'll be wearing this slippers alongside. I've shown you guys this let's say this shoes or the slippers or whatever. It's a very high type of slippers. I got it from Shein. I love it. It makes me look taller. I need to clean it. It makes me look taller, which I actually like. I'm not even gonna lie. Can you see? You can't see anything. Then I need to get more bags. I think I love shoulder bags now. I'm not even gonna lie. I love shoulder bags now. This bag is also from Shein. It's from Shein also. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to create, like, you know, some content at my store. That's like the plan for today. Also, I want to create some content for my brand at the store. Then I think I'm going to do my nails. This is a getting my life together vlog. I'm trying to get my life together because I have not been my best self. I have just been living, I've not been living my life. Like, I have not been living the way I want to live. It has just been, oh, I'm getting up this morning, I'm going to look for, you know, places. I'm going to look for stores where I can actually get my store. It has been, I'm trying to see those that are going to renovate my store. I'm going to see the painter. I'm going to supervise this. I have not really been living my life. And like right now that I feel like that is done already, I can start living my life. So I want to get my nails done. I don't think I want to fix my fingernails, but I definitely want to do my toenails because they look really, really crusty, messy, all of those things. I don't know if I'm going to find the inspiration to do my fingernails. I just do not like doing my fingernails. I don't like the hours it takes into doing it. And I just don't really like it. Even if I'm actually going to do it, I will just put powder on. I won't fix my nails, but I don't know yet. I have to feel it, but I'm not feeling it right now. Maybe I will feel it there because the mall where my store is, there are like different nail techs there. So like, if I want to do my nails, easy peasy. I don't know, but whichever I decide to do, you guys are gonna, you know, see it, okay? I'm also kind of like excited because my cousin is actually coming today, so I'm happy about it. And yeah, I just not feel like the outfit was giving the way I wanted it to give from the video, so this is it. Full fame. Okay, I hate the fact because I ironed these pants. Tell me why? Because I sat down, it's folding, like. But anyways, actually the full fame. Okay, love this top, like love it so much. It hugs my body so nice, like what? And this and this. Okay, now let's go. Faces given. Okay.
Never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Mask on, fuck it, mask on, mask on, fuck it, mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. 2 cups, toast her with the game, full scraps to a whole nother domain. out the bottom.
They just took the light. Ah, the lighting is so good without like the extra light. See that now? This one is, oh, I think I need to reduce the brightness so it can be. Okay. So I had to reduce the brightness. I don't know if you guys could actually see that. This is a wedding set for a court wedding, and certificates and cleaning clothes. What I sell is moistenites. There is no card in this certificate. Okay. So certificate. There's the GRA moissanite reports. You see. So what I sell for engagements, wedding rings, I sell moissanites, which is a gemstone. It's similar to diamonds, but more of like a cheaper version of diamonds. It's lab made and it's a gemstone. So yeah, this all packed. Next thing I want to do is I want to create content for my brand. I'm going to bring back the lights because I really do need the lights. Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning guys. It's a Sunday afternoon. I and my cousin, we are going to spa. I want to get some things. I want to get groceries and like house essentials and all of those things. Also, I want to see if the price of microwave in spa is reasonable. So because I need to get a new microwave. The one that came with the house, it doesn't work, so I need to get a new microwave. And I'm trying to get back into, you know, things in general. I'm trying to start eating, but I'm trying to start eating healthy. I'm trying to start, you know, getting back in my zone. So yeah, come with me guys. Is there anyone within our budget? It's not within the budget still.
C43 royal.
Yeah. Come on. How many calories is this one?
This one.
No. Okay. The restaurant is not vegan. This is vegan. The one you're holding.
650.
Say hi.
Plain rice.
You guys, we got back from spa and we got like a bunch of stuff. I think the crazy thing is that I don't understand why spa doesn't have like a lot of things these days. They don't have like a lot of things that I needed. I could not buy any like bathroom essentials from them because they didn't have what I wanted, like St. Ives. But anyways, so we got some things. Oh yeah, I bought chicken breast because I mean this is the healthy part, and then I realized that this one called chicken fillet or whatever, this is the boneless chicken breast on Shein. Actually, my cousin just told me that today. I'm sorry, did I just say Shein? This is the Shein should sign me up as the ambassador because what? At this point, okay, this is the boneless chicken breast actually that you find in spa. Yeah, the other one they have has this, it has the skin on it and it has little bone. I don't know if you can actually like see it, but the chicken fillet, is it fillet or fillet? Fillet. Chicken fillet. Okay, you get what I mean? Let me to the fridge. Okay. Yeah, I got things. Oh, the tortilla, oats. Let me just put everything out so I can actually. These are all the things I got from Spa. I was able to get oats, then this tortilla wrap. I can't wait to try this one out. The one I'm used to is the very big one. I've never tried the sweet one before, so this one is smaller and it's lesser in calories, but it's small. And I was able to see spinach. I love buying my spinach from Spa because it's like packed and is clean compared to buying from the market. And yeah, that's like everything I got basically. I could not find a lot of things at Spa, so I would check the supermarket close to my house to buy all the other things that I need today. Then I'm also going to the market to buy fruits because fruits are cheaper when you buy them at the local market. So yeah, these are like things that I want to do this evening basically. So yeah, also you guys, hey, I now own a microwave. I'm so excited because let me remove the second microwave here. I now have a microwave that works, guys. I now have a microwave that works. Yeah, I'm so excited. This is I'm going to have to put this up here. This is Media. Let me move it here. Okay. So the brand is Media. I got the microwave at Spa for. I got the microwave at Spa for I think 41,000 naira. So yeah, I'm actually really excited because like I don't have to worry about this anymore. I'm gonna have to need air. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have to remove this one here. I'm going to have to remove the one that is here because it's not working. Oh yes, let me give you guys the gist about this microwave. This microwave came with the house, the one here. But when I got to this apartment, it wasn't working. They took it to repair, brought it back. It only worked for like a day or two. It stopped working again. Then the people from FEMA, because the brand is FEMA, they came to repair like they came to repair the they came to repair the microwaves like for like those. Let me conclude that with the people from FEMA came to repair the microwaves that were not working in like some apartments. They came here, they repaired my own. Also, it worked for like 2 days and then it stopped working. So like I'm just tired. I'm just like, you know what, let me buy my own because I haven't been using a microwave for like almost a year right now. So it's like, let me just buy my own and just get it over with. So yeah, that's why I bought this microwave today from Spa. The brand is Media, is 41,000 naira. So I'm going to remove the one that is here and put in this new one. Okay, from the back. Oh my lord! In this life, do not be short. Do not be short. This yes, they plug it at the back here also. Oh, okay. Oh, no, this side. So I can remove the. Yeah. Yeah, easy. Okay. Lord, I hope it's going to fit me. It will. I still need apple. I should bring out this one. Yes. Shut the unboxing. No, I'm not able to remove it because it's heavy. Nice and heavy. Do you need to leave this one for like some minutes before you use it or something? You know, like fridge, now, you know, like for fridge, now you have to leave it before you put it on. It's going to shock you or something like that.
I don't know.
Let me close it first. smaller?
Smaller.
It's
You just be careful of that glass.
okay. Hi guys, so I'm currently back from the market and everything. It was a lot of shopping. I was able to get pineapples, like all the fruits I want. To be very honest, getting your fruits at the local market is cheaper. Like it is way cheaper. I'm not even capping, I'm actually being serious. It's way cheaper. So like everything is here and I'm just gonna sort them out. I'm really tired, I'm not gonna lie. Sort them out and then keep it moving. This is gonna be this is going to be my current body wash right now. I use Sanitize a lot, but I also realized that why is it not focusing? Yeah, this one is I've not tried this particular one before, so I'm gonna try it. I use Sanitize a lot, but the Sanitize I use is always the natural exfoliant. Then I realized I feel like it's not good for me to be using that body wash every single day, so I decided to buy the one that is natural extract. This one is not an exfoliant. Then I was able to get almond milk. I wanted to get soy milk, but I didn't see soy milk, and I didn't feel like trying oat milk because the calories in oat milk is higher. Like the calories in oat milk is like 120 calories per cup. So this one is 30 calories, but it's not really sweet. You know how much milk, like I know, but I got it anyways. And then I got this at this market close to my place anyways, and I got this. I have, oh my god guys, a wig I ordered is coming in I think tomorrow, next tomorrow, HD this week. I'm so excited. So I knew that I was gonna need this because I don't have this at all. So yeah, then I got tissue. This is the tissue I'm currently on. So it's a thread. Anyways, this is what I'm currently on right now. My cousin put me on this particular tissue, and y'all, that's it. Aside from the pineapple and every other thing, that's it. Tomorrow I will continue this vlog. I'm really tired. My video went up today. It was a sit-down video and it was a heartfelt video, and I'm really excited that the video is finally up. Like I put out the video by 8:30 p.m. and that's like so unlike me. I think I'm done waiting for the perfect time to do every single thing, and that's the thing. Like whenever I keep waiting for the perfect time, I don't always end up putting out those videos. I have so many videos that I have shot, but I don't put out because I'm always waiting for the perfect time, or something is not perfect, this is not perfect. I think I'm just done, doing that, and yeah, that's literally it. So you guys, I'm tired. I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to do other things off camera, and then see you guys tomorrow. Okay? You guys should watch the video if you've not watched it. It's a video on how I learned to choose self-love over my desire to be loved. It's a very, very heartfelt video, and I think I really poured out my heart and like things I have learned basically in the past few months into the video. And I also talked about, I think, reparenting myself, giving my inner child so much love. It's a really like, I like the video, so watch it if you haven't. I'm gonna link it, so watch it. Have a good night, bye.
both good young men trying to achieve success in their life. So what's this?
Girls I make fun of for love. Money always can come and go.
I think why I like watching others dating shows is that I think I get to understand people and relationships more. I feel like it's more of like a learning experience for me because I get to understand these things. When I was in a relationship and I had all of these problems, I felt so ashamed to like say them because I felt like I felt strange, and I don't know how to really explain it, but it just felt like I did not understand what I was feeling. I was feeling like I felt like other people were not going through the same thing that I was going through. It was just so much. So watching all these dating shows and seeing all these relationship problems, it makes me feel like you were not crazy. Like you are not crazy. Like you were not crazy for like how you were feeling, or I mean why you felt the way you felt. Like I don't know, I feel like it's just other. Then this ultimatum, I think the one thing I like about the most is how vulnerable like we see people. Like I feel like it's also very, very relatable in a way. And I think one thing that I feel like people don't do a lot is give these people grace. Like these are human beings, they are not robots. These are human beings that are showing you normal struggles in the world on TV. Like yes, you might actually have beef or whatever, but like these are like human beings, and like these are like, I feel like these are like normal things that like you also go through. But like the backlash and the dragging and the canceling, like hi guys, this is today's Tuesday. I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I got this wig, like I bought it, I paid for it from AliExpress. I'm back to my buying hair from AliExpress because I have been burnt severally from Nigerian hair vendors. I'm not even gonna lie. Well, that's not even the story for today. But anyways, I'm back to buying hair from AliExpress. I bought calls from them the last time and it was good. I feel like China actually has the best quality wig, no cap. Anyways, yeah, so I stumbled upon this page on AliExpress actually that they sell so sorry, my battery died. I stumbled upon this page on AliExpress that they sell HD laces. The wigs are like more expensive than the normal regular wigs you see on AliExpress, and I feel like I want to up my game with my, like when it comes to like my hair game. I really want to up my game. Anyway, so I decided to try it out. I checked reviews. That's very important. Try to check reviews on YouTube or anywhere before you actually purchase a hair from AliExpress. Even check on that, like the comments, like, you know, check the reviews on that the particular page before you actually place any order from AliExpress. The reason I'm actually doing this unboxing today instead of tomorrow is because I ordered another hair from them yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. Yeah, yesterday. So I'm like, I can still cancel this hair because the one I ordered is supposed to be an highlighted wig. So it's gonna take me about 4 to 6 days to make before they ship it out, or so like maybe to wig or to color, I don't know, but it's gonna take me 4 to 6 working days. So I'm like, okay, if this one is not good, I'm just gonna cancel it. Like if this particular hair I ordered from them is not okay, I'm just gonna cancel it. So which is like why I'm like, because I was thinking of waiting tomorrow, because I mean today has been a long day and I'm so stressed. But anyways, I got the hair from Wow Angel on AliExpress. Hey, you guys, I even have to be quick. I have therapy by 10:30. I'm to start with a new therapist today. So I've actually been having trouble connecting with a therapist on BetterHelp. I made a mistake. Now it feels like a mistake. I actually changed my old therapist. I was working with a male therapist from January till April. Then I took a break of therapy. So when I decided to like subscribe again, I'm like, okay, this time around, I feel like the issues I have, I want to work with a female therapist this time around. And the first therapist I tried, I felt like we're actually gonna connect because she is young. I just felt like, yeah, we're gonna have a vibe. But tell me why our Wi-Fi was so horrible. Like, we could actually, it was so hard for us to make like 2 sentences without our Wi-Fi just glitching and everything. Like, it was horrible. The first session was even still manageable. Like, I mean, I'm just like, okay, maybe next time we'll get better. The next session, guys, it was worse. I could not make a complete sentence without the video cutting off. We tried to reconnect again. Like, she had to tell me that, oh, that was actually when I was fed up, because I mean, I am wasting money. Yeah, I can't keep wasting money. Like, I can't do that. So I had to change therapist. The next one I got, I was matched with, guys. I already saw her profile before, like, I decided to match with her, and I felt like she's actually going to be okay, but it felt like she was always rushing our sessions. Like, we could barely have 30-minute session. Like, maybe I think the most was like 30 to 35 minutes, and normally better help video session should be like 45 minutes to 1 hour. Like, all my other therapists, we used to have 45 to 1 hour, but like, when it's like 30 minutes, like, she's already rounding it up. Like, even close to 30 minutes, you're already hearing. So during our next session, when are we going to work on these things? Like, bruh, I had to cancel. So I was matched with a new, because I had to send them a mail like that I was actually having troubles connecting with the therapist, and I'm just wasting money, and I don't like that. So I really do hope that this therapist is gonna be the one that I'm gonna have to stick with. That's like my prayer. I feel like what changed my mind about therapy is like what Tariq Ali is one of my favorite YouTubers and podcasters. I think he said it's in one of like in his podcast or something, or maybe his YouTube, I can't remember, but he said something like therapy is just like, you know, dating. You keep trying till you find your perfect match, something like that. So I really do hope it works out. Okay, anyway, so yeah, this is the first thing in the, this is what the pack is like. Is it focused? Yeah. Okay, so 100% HD lace. So yeah, I'm excited. I think I got this hair for $260. I'm going to put the link in the description box if you're interested in getting it. It came with a wig cap. Nice. They added lashes, a styling brush. Ah, nice. This is really nice. And headband that has Wow Angel on it. So nice, right? I don't know what this is. I don't know what this should be actually. I have no clue, but yeah. So let's get to the hair, guys. They kept it here. 26 inches. I heard that they are black silky straight wig. Let's start with the lace. I think one thing I like about them is, and this is also like a tip if you want to ever order hair from AliExpress, DM them before you pay. Have them send you the picture of the hair they're going to send to you, because I did that. Okay, I thought it had a funny smell. They did that. They sent me the, this is black. It's like jet black. It's black. Love it. Okay. So have them send you a video or picture of the hair before you make payments. It's just very important. So this is it. It's actually HD lace. It's actually, I don't really know so much about wigs, but this is actually HD. This is HD. I've never had any wig like this one. So the thing about HD lace is it's supposed to melt into your skin. It's supposed to melt, like, I'm supposed to see the line or something like that. I don't know, but you guys can see. So I can't wait to style it. Oh my god, this hair is 250 density. The quality is amazing. This hair I'm wearing is from a Nigerian hair vendor, and I ate the hair. This is bone straight. I bought this hair last year for 270,000 naira. Tell me why this hair tangles like crazy. I'm not even joking. Every single time I wear this hair, I used to carry comb, because just let's just get to a place. 10 minutes or the tangle. Like I have to, guy. I can see all the things we can create with this hair. This is good hair. This is good because I can pat it straight down all the way. Oh my god, all the way here, because it's 13 by 6. It's a good hair. I'm so excited I got this, and thank god I listened to my gut and I got 250 density, because I don't think I would have liked it if the hair was 180 density. Thank god, because I like full hair. Okay, anyways, I can't wait to, I'm going to be installing it in my next vlog. I just need to buy all the things that I need to install this week. I should get it by tomorrow or next tomorrow. This vlog should end by tonight or tomorrow. So anyways, no, it should end tomorrow morning. Anyways, that's it guys. I have therapy, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, what's today's day? Today's Wednesday. We'll be ending the vlog here. I'm on my way to work right now. Thank you so much guys for watching. And concerning therapy yesterday, I still need to find my own therapist. I wasn't okay with yesterday's session with this new therapist, so I cancelled, and I've been matched with someone else, so that will be till next week before I have the session. I'm just still trying to find the best therapist for myself. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and see you guys in the next vlog or video, whichever comes first. Okay.